Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Fiona here, and today I'll be showing you one of my most favorite painting mediums that I've recently found, which actually is 600 years old or more, but it's never too late, and I want you to really have a go at using gouache. So first off, what is gouache? Gouache is a watercolor medium which sort of is between watercolor paints and acrylic paints, but it is not so watery like watercolor and it's not so solid like acrylic paint. So it's really a nice happy medium in between. And really what gouache is when you add water, you can bring out the most beautiful opaque type colors to your illustrations or to your botanicals or your flowers, and it's really gorgeous. The colors are just so vibrant, so I would really recommend you have a go and try it out. What should you buy if you are a beginner at gouache or at using gouache? And really you would just need the primary colors. You would have red, blue and yellow. Although this is a mustard yellow and I really love mustard, but ultimately red, blue, yellow and black and white. And the reason why we have the different shades is because we can add in white to make it lighter, to make the blue or the red or the yellow lighter, or add black to make it darker. What paintbrushes should you use? I would highly recommend using a size 6 brush. This is a Princeton size 6 brush. Very versatile. I use these most for my paintings, in particularly flowers or leaves. I would also recommend using a size 2 brush. And the size 2 brush is the finer details to your painting. So this could be your leaves or your little dots that you do within your illustration, your line type drawing. So this is perfect for the finer details, and the size 6 brush is perfect for your flower petals or your leaves. You would also need a palette. Now this is a little bit embarrassing because it's a little bit messy, and this is basically where I put all the gouache painting mediums, and you can see that I mix different colors. This is really from the 3 primary colors and the different shades. So I made different shades of green, different shades of blue, as well as pink. And it's a great thing about gouache is because you are able to just leave it as is, put it and store it in a cupboard, and once you are ready to paint again, you just need to add some water and then mix it with a paintbrush, and then you're ready to go. And additionally, the perfect thing about gouache is that if you would prefer to have a more lighter type transparent color, all you need to do is add more water. Ultimately, if you want a painting medium that is a bit more bolder in color, then you don't add as much water. So really the key is how much water to add. And the way I do this is basically just taking a paintbrush and then dip it in water and slowly mix the gouache until it comes to a perfect consistency that you would like. And if I would like to have a more transparent type color, then I would add a bit more water to it. You can use an eyedropper or one of those arty droppers if you like, and this would be another easy way to change the consistency of your painting medium. The next question is what type of paper to use. I tend to use watercolor paper that is 300 GSM, or if you can find, around 220 to 300 GSM. And the reason why is because the paper is thicker than your copy colored paper, and this would really hold the water within the paper, and bringing a more type of finer consistency and without the paint having to spread across the paper. So I really hope that you try gouache painting medium. It is beautiful, as pretty as these plants behind me, and if you would like to find out more, check out my blog in the link below, comment, or check out my Instagram to find more inspiration, and I hope you really try it out and let's inspire each other. Thank you so much for watching.